In today's video, we will explore Foenix AI, an amazing tool that writes posts, builds pages and plugins, fixes SEO, and keeps your WordPress site healthy while you sleep. You can use the first link in description to open Foenix AI and create your account to get 500 credits for free. You can also use the coupon code WEB30 to get a 30% discount on the paid plans. As soon as you open the website, you can see that Foenix describes itself as an AI agent for WordPress that works on autopilot. Instead of manually logging in to your WordPress dashboard every day, Foenix allows you to simply describe what you want, and the AI agent will complete those tasks for you automatically. Foenix agents work 24/7. This means they can continue creating content, fixing issues, improving SEO, and maintaining your WordPress website even while you are away or sleeping. You can see a prompt box where you can simply type what you want the AI to do. You can enter a prompt like, refresh all posts older than 2 years, and then, instead of manually opening every article and updating it yourself, the AI will handle everything for you. Over here, you can see what you can do using the free plan. Foenix gives you 500 free credits, allowing you to test the platform without entering your credit card details. Below that, they have included 3 real examples created by the AI. These examples demonstrate the kind of work Foenix can perform automatically. The first example shows a coffee roastery website that was built entirely from a single prompt. This task uses around 200 credits. The AI creates the homepage, generates images, builds a contact form, and even creates an admin page for managing submissions. Instead of spending hours designing a website yourself, you simply describe what you need and the AI builds it for you. The second example focuses on website maintenance. Here, Foenix audits all the internal links on a website, removes broken links, finds opportunities to add new internal links, and improves the overall internal linking structure. This task uses approximately 100 credits. The third example demonstrates autonomous content creation. In this example, the AI is scheduled to publish 1 blog post every day at 9 a.m. Before writing the article, it researches the topic using live search results, generates 1 featured image along with 3 additional images, and then publishes the completed article automatically. This task uses around 200 credits. As you can see, all 3 examples together require around 500 credits, meaning you can try all of these examples using the free credits provided by Foenix. Scrolling further, you will find a short demonstration video where a Foenix agent completes an entire task from a simple prompt to a finished result. This gives you a practical idea of how the platform works in real time. Now, let's move to the next section. Here, Foenix compares the traditional way of managing WordPress with using AI automation. Without Foenix, you usually spend time opening multiple browser tabs, switching between plugins, searching for tutorials, and manually editing different parts of your website. With Foenix, almost everything happens through a single chat interface, where you simply describe what you want and the AI does it for you. Another advantage is automation. Instead of manually checking SEO, website speed, broken links, or publishing schedules every week, you can create scheduled AI agents that perform these tasks automatically. Foenix can also handle repetitive work like generating image alt text, writing meta descriptions, checking internal links, and cleaning spam. Just like developers now have AI coding assistants like Claude Code, Foenix brings the same agentic AI concept to WordPress by allowing AI to understand your website, edit content, build pages, and automate maintenance tasks.
Now let's look at autonomy spectrum. Foenix AI system can operate at 4 different levels depending on how much control you want to keep. The first level is conversational mode. Here, you simply ask questions about your website and the AI answers them. It understands your website but does not make any changes without your permission. The second level is visual editing. In this mode, you click on any element of your website, describe the change you want, and Foenix finds the correct template or file, makes the changes, and lets you review them before publishing. The third level is build mode. Instead of editing existing content, you simply describe what you want to create. The AI can build landing pages, blog posts, WooCommerce workflows, custom plugins, and many other WordPress components from scratch. The fourth and final level is autonomous mode. This is where the AI works completely on a schedule. You simply give it a task, choose how often it should run, and Foenix continues performing that task automatically. For example, it can audit your SEO every Monday morning, fix broken links, and email you a report without requiring any manual work. Now let's see how Foenix works behind the scenes. Instead of relying on a single AI model, Foenix uses a multi-agent system. This means multiple specialized AI agents work together to complete every task. The first agent is the orchestrator, which receives your request and coordinates all the other agents. The second agent is the architect, which plans the entire task before execution. The third agent is the coder, which performs the actual operations on your WordPress website using the Foenix connector. Finally, the verifier checks whether everything worked correctly. If something fails, the system automatically retries using a different approach until the task is completed successfully. According to the website, this multi-agent architecture allows Foenix to perform autonomous tasks much more reliably than traditional single-agent AI systems. Here you can see Foenix is made by the same team that made SEO Writing AI, which is an amazing AI website tool to generate SEO-optimized articles. I have already made a detailed video about SEO Writing AI. You can check it from the link in description. Now let's move to the pricing section. Foenix offers a free plan that costs nothing and includes 500 credits, one temporary sandbox, support for one connected WordPress website, and access to all 4 autonomy levels. Next is the starter plan, which costs $25 per month. It includes 5,000 monthly credits, 2 persistent sandboxes, support for 3 WordPress websites, unlimited scheduled AI agents, and the ability to purchase additional credit packs whenever needed. After that comes the Pro plan at $50 per month. This plan increases your monthly credits to 10,000, includes 10 persistent sandboxes, supports up to 25 connected WordPress websites, offers unlimited scheduled AI agents, and also allows you to purchase additional credit packs. If you choose yearly billing instead of monthly billing, you can save 20% on your subscription. And you can also use the coupon code WEB30 to get a 30% discount. For larger businesses, Foenix also offers enterprise solutions with custom credits, dedicated solution architects, single sign-on, advanced security controls, and a dedicated account team based on your organization's requirements. Overall, Foenix AI is trying to automate every aspect of WordPress management. Whether you want to build websites, create blog posts, improve SEO, manage plugins, or automate repetitive maintenance tasks, the goal is to let you do everything by simply describing what you want instead of manually working inside the WordPress dashboard. If you want to know about an amazing AI website builder, then check out this video right here.